Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading, but how to make $100,000 from swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out my swing trading school where we talk about how to find stocks with opportunity, my different strategies, my mindset, my approach, how I handle emotions when it comes with trading and swing trading. Check it out down below. You guys can use code YouTube for 20% off. So check it out down below and I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and trading in the stock market, there is a million different ways you guys can make money from trading in the market. Now, you guys will see people that day trade or swing trade, and you'll probably see Forex traders, not in the stock market, but Forex traders on YouTube or TikTok. So the biggest thing, whether you're a day trader, whether you're a swing trader, or any type of trader, is focus on base hits and have realistic expectations. I've been swing trading for over 6 years full time, so I've been doing this for a while. And a lot of people have the approach that with swing trading and trading, you're going to turn $100 into $100 every single day. That is not gonna happen. Whether you're Warren Buffett or the homeless guy down the road, nobody can do that. And so with swing trading, you have to have those very, very realistic expectations. The only way I'll see you guys make $100,000 in a year is if you have a very, very high portfolio and a very, very high account size, just because your account is going to be larger, so your profits are going to be bigger, but your losses are going to be bigger. So if you're starting out and you have $100 or $500 and you've already gone through the learning curve, you've already paper traded, you know what you're doing, and you're not seeing growth, just focus on percentages rather than, real money. I would rather see you guys take 1, 2, 3%, and then compound it over the next year, over the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, rather than see you guys take all these very, very risky trades to try to make 100 grand. Focus on base hits, focus on small compounded returns, and that's going to be where you guys make your bread and butter. So let's talk about the best strategy that can really, really help make you guys some money here. So this is ticker symbol ZION. This is a stock that we actually called out in the group. And one of the reasons I love it here is it has this really nice upward trend. You guys can see that the stock has gone from 27 all the way up to about $45 a share. So for me, I love finding stocks on an upward trend just because when a stock's on an upward trend, we have higher indication of buying pressure. We have more buyers, and I'm a long trader, so I buy and sell it at a higher price. If you're a short trader, you're probably going to want to do the complete opposite because you're betting for the stocks to go down. But this stock here has this really nice upward trend. Now, more importantly, it does have this nice channel of support in resistance. So with ZION, you guys can see it has heavy support right on this trend line. It has heavy resistance up here. So just looking at it, where would you want to buy this stock? You'd want to buy it as close as you can to this line. So we took a trade at about $40 and about 30 cents here. Now, my approach and mindset with this is super, super simple because we're looking for low risk, high reward trade. So taking the trade here at about 430, setting our target price all the way up here because of that channel, setting our stop loss just below the 200-day moving average line. Look at the risk and reward. We're risking $1 to make over $4.52, which is a great risk and reward. And obviously, the tighter your stop is, the better off your risk and reward is going to be. But we can just say about 5, right? Risking $1 to make $5. I think that's a very, very realistic expectation that we had with this play. Now, looking at it here, you guys can see it hit it, and we already had this great move. And yes, this move was, if we actually draw it out, this move move was right now about 3%, and it was up about 6%. But what we're actually doing is just a trailing stop loss. So the trailing stop loss that we had here, at first I just set it obviously just below these moving average lines. Now I have it below the 90-day moving average line. This gives me guaranteed profit because if it does sell off, we're just going to take our profit. Now, what this also helps me with is if this stock just continues to get buying pressure this way, we're going to be holding this all the way up and continuing to move our stop loss up and up and up. It's a very, very easy way to catch these runners that move, 10, 12%, but also you almost have guaranteed profit. With trading and swing trading in the market, you have to have the approach of I've never lost money taking profit. As traders, our goal is to make money. We're not doing it because it's fun, it's exciting, because we like to think of it as gambling. No, we have to have that edge, but we also are trying to make money. So when you're up on your profit and you're unsure, or maybe you just get a sense of feeling that you're going to get sell off, I have no issue taking profit and sitting on the sidelines. Especially with this type of play where it is going to be a little volatile, where it does move a little bit more, I have no issue taking profit. Now, another thing here is at the time, the stock was trading for about a 40 on the RSI. Now, the RSI is what we call the relative strength index. Now, for most stocks, this is going to be it's a little bit not overvalued. It's not undervalued. Normally, anything under a 30 is a really good entry. But with this being at about a 40, I was a little nervous, but I did go back and I looked at the last time it was trading for a 30 or a 40 was all the way back in here where we had this great move. So I did have a lot of good hope for this play, as well as another indicator is the MACD. The MACD indicator is an indicator used for entries and exits. And you guys can see that normally with this type of play, what you do is you enter when the signal or the yellow line breaks above the blue line, and then you sell it on the way down, when the signal breaks down the other way. So you guys can see we did get that breakout, which historically does represent a good opportunity for an entry. So we could definitely see some move in the future here. But I'm very, very happy with how this trade is. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow and the next one. And don't forget, code YouTube 20% off, where you guys can where we talk about how to find these plays, the scanners we use, strategies, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.